YAMAHA MT-07 Best Motorcycle Review, Liquid-Cooled, 8V, Parallel Twin. As much as we all loved the original YAMAHA MT-07, it did have its flaws, mainly in the suspension department. For many it was too soft and underdamped, and while most owners overlooked the handling issues it caused and simply rode around the problem, Yamaha took customer feedback on board and for the 2018 to 2020 version have addressed the issue. Weighing just 182 kilograms, the 2018 to 2020 Yamaha MT-07 is still blissfully light and manageable around town, yet equally just at home chasing up mountain passes or happy enough to loft the front wheel or scrape its pegs on an apex. New suspension gives more control and feedback, which in turn gives the rider more confidence at speed. The new styling has added appeal and quality. Pound for pound, one of the best bikes on the market and will continue to be a huge success for Yamaha. The MT-07 has been a huge success for Yamaha, thanks to a pair of great engines, fantastic styling and competitive pricing. In Europe alone it sold around 17,000 units each year since its launch in 2014, it's their most popular bike and dominates the MT range. In this buying guide we've enlisted the help of MT-07 UK Owners Club founder Janice Strelkovs, owners and professionals to find out what's so great and occasionally not so great about the MT. This version of the bike has now been replaced by the 2021 Yamaha MT-07. Ride quality and brakes. The rear shock is all new, adjustable for preload as before, but now with a range of rebound damping adjustment. Spring rate is up by 11%, high-speed rebound damping by 27% and high-speed compression damping by 40%, while at the front the MT's KYB front forks remain non-adjustable but have 6% more spring rate and 16% on the rebound damping, all in a bid to give more feel and better control. Now the ride is compliant. The suspension soaks up most bumps and road imperfections, but you can ride the MT harder and faster as the springs at both ends aren't jumping around like excitable toddlers who've eaten too many sweets. Engine. The new 2017 model has the same engine, power and torque as its predecessor. The Yamaha's unchanged parallel twin is perhaps the key to the MT's success. On the one hand it's sweetly fueled, unintimidating and easy to manage, ideal for new riders, yet on the other it has enough attitude and aggression to be fun. The 74 brake horsepower motor has enough puff to nip past a line of fast-moving traffic and responds keenly when you decide to press on. On paper the little engine shouldn't be as much fun as it is. Reliability and build quality. Build quality is Yamaha's usual high standards, and the engine has proven reliability. There are 2 Yamaha MT-07 owners reviews on the MC Insight, and the score of 4.5 out of 5 stars reflects mainly positive feedback, with a few quality issues that can be explained away due to the price of the bike. Value versus rivals. When the bike was launched back in 2014, MT-07 prices started from just over £5,000 for the non-ABS model. For 2018 the price has edged up to £6,349, but it's still exceptional value for money, and PCP deals are less than £100 a month. Its main competition comes from the Suzuki SV650 and Kawasaki Z650. You can read a group test of all 3 bikes here. Service schedule. The basic service interval is 6,000 miles, which covers an oil, but not filter, change plus throttle body balancing and a fairly extensive list of minor lubrication tasks which are widely neglected, as is the spark plug check. Plugs are due to be changed at 12K, but again it's often skimped, along with the oil filter, and the head bearings and rear suspension pivots are due a greasing at the same time, which they usually don't get. Valve clearances are checked at 24K, though they rarely need adjustment the first time, and the air filters changed at the same time. Brake fluids changed every 2 years, coolant every 3 and brake hoses every 4. Access for servicing's not too bad, though there are lots of fiddly bits of plastic to remove. Spark plugs are a bit of a pain to get to, though. New and used parts prices. Genuine Yamaha service parts aren't too bad. An air filter's about £23 and an oil filter £13.74, with brake pads £36.33 a set. Discs are £113 each, mirrors £40 and a front brake lever is £55.80. The aftermarket's even cheaper though. Wimoto can do you oil and air filters for £5 and 28 pence and £10 and 20 pence respectively, uprated brake pads from £19 and 51 pence a set, a brake lever for £17 and 18 pence, front wheel bearing kit for £7 and 49 pence and a chain and sprocket kit for around £100. The genuine kit is a hefty £220. There seem to be plenty of MTs in breakers, but predictably they're mostly there for crash damage, so front-end bits in particular are pricey. A good pair of forks are anything from £400 to £550. Front wheels are a couple of £100 too, and radiators up to £250. Equipment. Yamaha haven't played around with or ruined an already proven recipe. There's no traction control or TFT full color dash. Some would like more tech and more riding modes, but all the above would add to the MT's price and diminish its essence, which is its simplicity. Yamaha have addressed the handling, see below, and added a new seat, headlights and cosmetic changes, otherwise it's the same excellent bike as before.